You don't always have to be a professional athlete to see the best part of the Alps. Most people think you need to climb for hours to get a great view, but Jochberg proves that wrong. It is short, 1 hour drive from Munich, and it's become one of my favorite spots for a quick escape. Whether you are just starting your hiking journey or just want to warm up for the hiking season, this is the perfect mountain to choose. We rented a car in Munich and drove down to Kesselberg parking area. But you can also take RB66 from Munich to Kochel and then catch 968 bus directly to the trailhead. उस side शायद that is the peak. आज का weather little bit cloudy है, but देखेंगे कैसा होता है, कैसा trek होता है, कैसा hike होता है. The path is simple and easy to follow. It's mostly through the woods, so you stay cool while you walk. It is also scenic and you don't need to rush. तो अभी ऑलमोस्ट 50% हाइक खत्म हो चुका है और अब 50% हाइक पार पे आने के बाद आपको बहुत सारे खूबसूरत व्यू पॉइंट मिलेंगे जहाँ से आप कोकेल का व्यू देख सकते हो. इस साइड की पूरी जो रिज है पूरा ऑलमोस्ट तो व्यू पॉइंट काम करती है. फाइनली ऑलमोस्ट हम पीक पे आ गए हैं. इधर पीक है और ये रूट है बेसिकली. ये है वाल्कनसी और ये है कोखलसी. When we finally reached the summit, the weather changed. Thick clouds started coming in and covering the Alps. At first, I thought we wouldn't see anything, but it actually made the view better. Seeing the bright blue water of Walchensee through the gaps of grey clouds felt like seeing a secret. We flew the drone for a few minutes to capture how massive the landscape feels when the weather turns. Standing at the summit, looking down at turquoise water while the wind picks up, and it makes all the efforts worth it. It is simple hike that doesn't demand much, but it gives you everything that makes Bavaria special. The fresh air, deep blue lake, and that feeling of being small in the massive landscape. If you are in Munich and have a free weekend, don't overthink it. Just do it. You absolutely have to add the Jochberg hike to your bucket list. The view from the summit are legendary, and the journey through the Bavarian Alps is even better. If you enjoyed this incredible view, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss out our next journey. I will see you in next video with more adventure and more travel motivation.